Welcome to Jewelsteps. Our today's topic is how to add cash in the software. So first we will check cash ledger. So go to the reports and select the account ledger report. Then choose the cash and verify the opening balance is zero. So next adding opening cash balance. So go to the utilities, select the account ledger, then choose the cash ratio, enter the required opening balance value, only one time, then click save. After saving, we will again go to the reports and check the account ledger report. And here we can see that the opening balance is now displayed correctly. Thank you.